Matt Nelson, CEO and President of AvaLAN Wireless. Well, it's been interesting this year to see the growth in the industry like I do every year, just this constant, more and more people. The event last night or whatever had all these people that I don't know again, which is a good thing. So I think the industry needs to continue to mature and sort of think more outside of itself than it does inside of itself. The potential for digital signage, whether it be indoor, outdoor, retail, transportation, education, or whatever, the digital signage industry, I think, is very, very broad, and there's lots of room for lots of people. And so I think that we just need to, look to the outside and look at all those opportunities and embrace each one as each one comes along, and I think that will be great. So, well, I got to speak a little bit specific to AvaLAN Wireless because our largest area of growth in digital signage is actually outdoor digital signage. We've seen the last few years or whatever lots of retail and indoor type stuff, but we're actually doing more and more outdoor. So everything from outdoor high bright LEDs out in front of quick serve restaurants to the digital billboards that you're starting to see going on down the highway. One of the things that we've seen in maturity of the digital signage industry is going less from the AV standpoint and more to the IT orientation. Because at the end of the day or whatever, you've got content that you need to manage, you got content that you got to distribute, you got systems that you need to manage, and really the information technology industry and all those networking guys are very, very well suited to be able to maintain that sort of a network. And so as we move less and less away from sort of the thrill of maybe some great 3D graphic or something like that, or some great streaming technology or something like that, to more of, well, what's the nuts and bolts that's going to kind of get the job done? I think that that's the area that we're actually seeing the most growth, is just stuff that works. The beauty of this show is bringing people that are specific to this industry, as opposed to a show where we're in digital signage, we're just a small piece of it. This show or whatever brings all of the relevant people to us. So we've seen both end user customers here, integrators or whatever that are speccing and consulting and deploying systems, to other vendors that we partner with because we're just the connectivity piece or whatever. So it's a great event. Always has been. Digital signage, join the revolution.